it's Anna here at Dee's with a beautiful swag kit we have, and this one is an everyday one. You could literally use now any time of the year. It's just greenery with a little bit of white, and then I chose black and white ribbon to go with it. But I want to let you know, if you are watching and waiting for spring kits, we are working on getting those together. We're going to have some all next week that have color, so if you've been waiting for things that have corals or pinks, that all is coming starting next week. We're also going to be uploading some more ribbon sets. Ribbon is coming in slowly, so we'll get those up there. And stay tuned, Lori's going to have an adorable St. Patrick's Day kit coming up later this weekend. You definitely don't want to miss out on all the beautiful stuff we have coming. But today I'm going to do an everyday swag kit. Again, you can use this all year long. You can use it on a boxwood wreath or even a grapevine. If you don't have a boxwood wreath, you just have the grapevine frame, it'll work great. And these are on their way, coming back in stock. A lot of you have been waiting for these boxwood wreaths. I just have this one I use for display to show you how the kit looks on there, but they are going to be coming back in, and we'll put them back on the website, and I will let you know as soon as they arrive. The other thing you can use this kit on is a lantern. This one's just a medium size. It works great, but this kit today is going to be perfect for either one of those. I start out with this really nice mixed piece. The reason I love this one is because it's not so full. It's really nice and airy, but you still get that mix of textures. And what I really like is it's got like this fun stick with a leaf on it. I just like the look of that. So I'm going to pair that with this really pretty, it's kind of like almost like a hydrangea, but tucked in there, but it's just little wispy pieces, which I really like. But then it also has this really nice kind of berry bundle and greenery, some more berries up here, just really pretty. But how nice do those look together to make a really pretty everyday look? So we're going to put some black and white ribbon with that, but to start out we just need to finish fluffing and trim the ends of our stems. So I'm just going to take the wire cutters, cut that stem off, finish fluffing it out. You want a little to come down and a little to go up, and the reason you're doing that is so you have some at the bottom of your wreath, or if you're doing the lantern, you want some of that to go up towards the top. All right, so next up, I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to chop the bottom off of the little hydrangea pick. Finish fluffing that one too. Same thing, bring some down, leave some kind of towards the middle, and then some going up. We're going to lay those right on top of each other and set them off to the side to do our ribbon. All right, so I've got two 1.5 inch ribbons. I did a black and white dot and I did a black and white check. I just like black and white all year. It's just so fresh looking. So we're going to start out with the polka dot, and we're going to make a couple loops like we normally do. And if you're new to us, this kit is available on shopdeeslouisville.com. It's going to come with everything you need to create the swag kit that I'm showing you, including the little wire that I tie with, the cloth covered wire. And if I'm making this bow a little too quickly, you can always watch one of our other swag videos where we slow it down, or Lori has a really great bow making video up on our YouTube channel. If you go to deeslouisville.com on YouTube, you can see us make the bows a little bit slower. All I did though was 2 loops of each, about 4-inch loops, and I left those tails a little longer at the bottom. I'm going to take that cloth covered wire right there in the middle where my hand is holding it, tie it in a knot. Now I'm ready to tie it onto my stems. I've got those 2 laid together. Let's see here. I'm going to kind of hold them up. I'm going to go right there in the middle. Make sure you catch both of them. Tie that in a knot. And then I'm going to go on and twist it onto my boxwood and cut my stems. The reason why I like this one so much is it doesn't have a lot of color. It just has that nice pop of the white. So it looks pretty and fresh all year. I always like to bring some of the flowers, some of the greenery back to the middle of the bow. Okay, now I'm ready to cut those tails. I'm going to cut one here. But look how pretty that is on that wreath. And again, if you have a grapevine wreath, it would look just as nice on the grapevine, just to brighten it up a little bit. I've got it on the boxwood, and I wanted to show you it there. I'm going to take it off right now and twist it onto the lantern so you can see what it looks like on a lantern. Let's see here. Move this out of our way. Okay, so when you do it on the lantern, the stems going up and the stems going down are the same, but the ribbon needs to be a little bit different. So I'm just going to go ahead and twist this on the top here. and then I can work with it a little bit better. So I'm going to do that, and then all I'm going to do is just bring all these longer tails down. And then rework everything. Bring those shorter tails to the top, and it looks really nice on a medium-sized lantern. There's so many things you can do with these swag kits that I don't show you. I just show you these two because they're really quick and easy, but it's so simple to make this and hang it on the side of your mailbox, or lay it in bookcases, or even get two of them and do them on mantles, something really special for your front porch. And there's lots of great ways to do these little swag kits for all year long. So go on shopdeeslouisville.com and grab this one today.